Do you want to grow your YouTube channel faster with YouTube Shorts? Welcome back, and if you're new to the channel, my name is Alex and I help content creators and business owners grow their audience online with the power of YouTube Shorts. Today I'm going to show you 5 easy tips to start growing your YouTube channel faster with YouTube Shorts. And trust me, it's easier than teaching a cat how to play piano. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, don't forget to smash that subscribe button like it's a piñata filled with candy. And if you have any questions, don't forget to comment below. I promise I'm not gonna make fun of your username. Now, let's talk about YouTube Shorts. These bad boys are like the spicy salsa to TikTok's mild guac. And they are vertical videos that are 60 seconds or less with an aspect ratio of 9:16. And let me tell you, they're like the new hot tamale in town. If you're a small creator, you're in luck. YouTube is pushing YouTube Shorts like they're the last margarita on a hot summer day. And because they're still new, there's less competition than a game of musical chairs with one chair. So how do you make the best of YouTube Shorts? Here are 5 tips. Use trending hashtags. If you're not sure what kind of hashtags to use, don't worry, you're not alone. I mean, have you seen some of the hashtags out there? Hashtag I love penguins, but only on Monday. Anyone? The good news is that you can find trending hashtags by exploring the YouTube Shorts section on the YouTube app or checking what other creators in your niche are using. And trust me, using the right hashtags can help your shorts get more views and more engagement. Don't just use any weird hashtags like hashtag I got stuck in the bathroom unless you want people to think you're weird too. Tip number 2, create eye-catching visuals. Let's be honest, people's attention span are shorter than a chihuahua on caffeine. That's why it's important for you to create YouTube Shorts that are visually appealing and grab people's attention right away. You can use text overlays, animations, and other visual effects to make your YouTube Shorts stand out. And please do me a favor, don't go over the special effects, or your shorts are gonna look like a unicorn threw up on them. Tip number 3, promote your business or personal brand. If you're using Shorts to promote your business or your personal brand, make sure to show your products, your services, or your talent in a creative way. For example, if you're a dog groomer, you can create a short video of a dog getting a bath and looking super fluffy and cute afterwards. Or if you're a comedian, you can do a short skit that showcases your humor. Just remember that the key is to be creative and have fun with it. And if it all fails, just make sure to add a kitty or a puppy and watch the views roll in. Tip number 4, be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to building a following on YouTube. You don't have to post a short every day, but try to be consistent with your content. This will help you stay on top of mind with your audience and increase the chances of your content being seen. And if you're struggling to come up with ideas, just ask your mom. Moms always have great ideas, even if they're a little bit embarrassing. Tip number 5, engage with your audience. When people comment on your shorts, make sure to respond to their comments and build a relationship with them. This will help you build a community around your brand or your business and keep your community engaged. And if someone leaves a negative comment, don't be afraid to clap back with the witty response. Just remember to keep it classy and not too mean unless they really deserve it. Don't forget to like and subscribe because in the next few weeks, I'm gonna bring you the latest tips and tricks on how you can be more successful with YouTube Shorts. And in the next video, I'm gonna show you how people are making money with YouTube Shorts using ChatGPT. And if you want to learn more about the power of YouTube Shorts, watch this video here. And if you want to learn how to make money with YouTube Shorts, watch this video here.